very exciting time for Flipper right now. We're the #1 platform to buy and sell online businesses.
Obviously, when you're analysing a $5 billion T-Mobile Netherlands deal, like literally there's financial DD, there's commercial DD, there's legal DD, there's HR DD, there's carve-out DD, there's all the DDs you can think of.
If you're growing, let's say quarter over quarter, 40%, but like your profit margins are 0, it's still considered a healthy startup. Now, if you're growing quarter over quarter by, let's say 50%, but you lose on the profitability side by 10%, also still considered a healthy startup.
My key takeaway from this event was that it was very interesting to see how the series was for the funding of companies.
I found it very interesting to discuss the differences between share purchase versus an asset purchase.
So my biggest takeaway was a tip about adjusting the EBITDA, because it really shows that if you have high costs at certain parts, but you know they're easy to be decreased in the future, that's actually something good to keep into your notes.